Alright guys, we got a Ford 2015 Escape right here. We picked this up. It's so cheap. I'll show you why. Because of the damage right here. This is damage. Looks like it got hit sideways right here, or maybe a post. It got hit, or a car, whatever, or a truck. So the door can still open. There's nothing going on here. Just the door. The driver one is good. There's nothing wrong. There's no dent. It's little scratches, but the main one is the driver left door. So we pick a door already from the junkyard, and here's the door right here. Matching color, everything, the same model. The year a little different because this Escape is the same all the way from. I had to look it up again. So the bolt right here on the upper hinge, and the bolt down there is 13 mil, and this is 10 mil. It's a little dent right there, but that's fine. And the interior panel on this is the same as the replacement one. So, all right, so the same interior panel, and this is the hinge I'm talking about right here. And this is the bolts, and then the bolts down there, and then this is the 10 mil. So we're just gonna quickly take this out. Let's take out the 10 first, and then let's do the 13 mil after. Just don't close all the way. We'll take out the bolt on this side, and then the connector here is loose already. I took them out like a couple days ago, and then let's loosen them up, and then have somebody to hold the door so they won't fall on you. And then the last one. There we go. Look at that. Wow. All right, just put that on the side, and we'll look at this here.
Open the door here,
Yeah.
I bring the new one?
Yeah, let's put the new one in.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. All right, we're gonna line her up. Yeah, good, perfect. That's good. Other bolt. Yeah, we'll do that. This was good. Look at the gap. Not bad. We're just gonna connect the connector here, and then after that we're gonna connect the check link is next. Then you put this inside, and then the boot cover up so that there's no dust or water go inside. All right, last piece of the puzzle that we need to install is the 10 mil. Line up the hole using the door to close it. Yeah. There you go. Alright guys, so here we go. We just need to clean the door. We'll test out the switches, the door on the inside. It opens up from the outside. Let's try the inside. Oh, look at that, it opens on the inside. So now we're gonna test the switch. Make sure it works. The switch doesn't work. Alright, we figured out why the window glass doesn't move, because of this harness. The inside, the guts of this door is different than the original one. So you can see here, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wires on this one. And then if you go to the original door, it's quite different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3 more, 9. So there's 9 wires on the original door. So we're gonna have to open this up. It's probably because of the speaker here. I don't know what's the extra wire. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna transfer some interior guts, the inside, to used door. We're gonna have to transfer them up so that it will connect, and then it will work. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up on this one. This is a 2015 Ford Escape, replacing the broken door to our new one. Check it out. Now it's nice and clean. I'm gonna close the door. Look at that. Wow. Same color. Perfect.